Hey guys, we are here with a Jayco 145 RB. It is one of the nicest and easiest to tow with any SUV or anything small that you might have. Cool thing is you will have this front cap which does fully open, so if you are inside, you want to see the sun or you want to see the stars, you can. You will have your liner all the way around on the outside, and you will have your fender flares. Now here you will have a decent amount of storage, and then you will have your upgraded suspension with your bigger tires as well. And then on to the out back, you will have a spare tire, and then you're going to have your drains for your black and your gray water right underneath here. You're going to have your cable connection right around here, and you're going to have all your low points and your water connections there. Now on the inside, you are going to have a nice little cubbies for storage, and then to the bathroom, look at all that space you got. And moving on, you're going to have your little two stove burner, your little furnace. You're going to have your microwave, your sink, some cutting space, and you will have your small little fridge on the bottom. And then you've got your dinette right here. It does pop up so you can eat, but it also drops down so you can actually sleep there as well. And you do have an AC unit too. You do have a good amount of storage up above, and you do have a little stereo system in here as well. Now, if you have any questions on this trailer, please give me a call at 541-954-4683. Thank you guys.